Hey guys, Victor's here with DIY Time Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to check if your front-load Samsung washer or dryer got a blown fuse. This usually happens as a result of electrical power surges. First, you'll need to unplug your washer from the power source and get access to the back side of it. I also had to close and disconnect the water supply hoses to be able to pull out the washer from its bay. Next, you're gonna need to remove the metal back plate held in place by two Phillips screws. And there are also two more screws holding the main logic board. And after that, you're gonna be able to slide it to the left and take it out. This Samsung washer actually has two logic boards, and the one we're looking for is the smaller board on the left side that has a fuse on it. The fuse is located right here, and in my case you can't really tell if it's blown or not because it's white and it's not see-through. And because of this, we're gonna have to use a multimeter to determine if it's good or bad. And if you don't have a digital multimeter tool, you can pick it up for around $10. I'm gonna post a link in the description area below this video if you're interested. We're gonna check this fuse for continuity of electrical circuit by measuring its resistance. And I'm measuring about 0.6 ohms of resistance, which tells me that this fuse is perfectly fine. So that's how you check the blown fuse. In my case, the fuse is okay, but my washer is still not turning on. So because of that, I'm suspecting that one of the logic boards is bad. And if you're interested, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to test a bad washing machine logic board. So stay tuned and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.